Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to DIY nail extensions without using tips or nail forms and without spending a lot of money. A lot of people think you have to use tips or forms to extend your nails, right? But actually, there's a little trick you can do just using gel. It works for super short nails, flat nails, pretty much any nail shape. So please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. You probably already know the usual way to extend nails, using tips or nail forms. But in this video, I'm going to show you a super budget-friendly method using just gel. No expensive tools needed, and it works on any nail shape, even really short or oddly shaped nails. All right, let's jump right in. First, grab a clear plastic sheet. I'm using the kind that comes with nail stickers. Just cut it open so you have one flat piece. Next, get your non-wipe top coat. Using the brush, apply a thin, even layer of gel on the plastic sheet. Make it about twice the width of your nail and kind of rectangular in shape. You don't want it too thick or too thin, just enough to cover the surface evenly. Once that's done, cure it under your nail lamp. After curing, peel the gel off the plastic. Now you've got a flexible gel sheet. That's what we'll use to build the extension. Next, cut the sheet to fit your nail. Place it over your nail and press it down lightly to mark where the edges should be. Then trim it with scissors. To make it fit better, we'll also cut around the U shape of your nail tip. Gently curve the gel sheet and place it over your nail again. Then use a pen to mark where to cut. Trim along that line. And if any ink remains, wipe it off with some ethanol. Next, decide how long you want your extension and mark that on the sheet. Then, trim to size. Now, you've got a custom-fit gel sheet for your nail. Now, let's apply base gel to your entire nail. Once that's on, take the gel sheet you made and place it right on your nail. Overlapping by about 1/16 of an inch. Use tweezers to press the sheet down gently. And while holding it in place, cure it under your lamp. Once it's secured, we'll add thickness. You can use base gel or a harder gel for this. If you're using just base gel, aim for a max extension of about 3/16 of an inch. If you want longer extensions, go with hard gel. Once it's applied all over, flash cure it under the light for about 10 seconds to set it in place. Before it fully cures, take it out of the lamp and pinch the sides of the nail gently with tweezers. This is called pinching, and it helps shape the curve of the nail. Without this step, your nail might end up flat, which makes it weaker and not as cute. After pinching, put it back under the lamp and fully cure it. Once it's cured, check the thickness by pressing on it. If it feels too bendy, add another layer of gel and cure again. If it's nice and firm, you're done. Now wipe off the sticky layer with ethanol. Shape the tip to your liking. And if you want to add nail art, go ahead with base gel, color gel, and top coat like usual. In this video, I'm just finishing it off with a top coat. When the entire coating is finished, cure. And that's it. What do you think of this no-tip, no-form extension method? By making your own gel sheet, you can extend your nails super affordably. And also, it works for any nail shape, so definitely give it a try. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit that like button. And if you'd like to see more video like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.